Hello students, this is Manisha Tomar and today I am explaining the summary of the periodic properties and their variations. This is chapter of class 10, chapter number 1, the periodic properties and their variations. Here student, this is the complete summary of the chapter in which we have discussed about the periodic properties and their characteristics and trends in different properties in groups as well as in periods. Here is the summary of whole chapter, that is, first we have discussed about the electron cells. Dear student, electron cells means number of periods in the valence cell. We have 7 periods in periodic table and 7 periods and 18 groups in the periodic table. We have first period in which there is 2 elements only, hydrogen and helium. So period first contains only one cell. Period first contains only one cell. Period second contains 2 cells. Period third contains 3 cells. Period 4 contains 4, 5, 6 and 7. We have 7 periods and all valence electron will be on the period. If we are moving in any period from left to right, the electron cells will be same. That means number of electron cells remains the same. For example, we have second period lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. All elements have the electrons in the second cell. The configuration of lithium is 2 and 1. Configuration of beryllium is 2 and 2. Configuration of boron is 2 and 3. 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6 and 2, 7 and 2, 8. Means from lithium to neon, number of electrons in the period is increases in the same cell. Due to that effect, because number of cells in the periods are same, so size should be same of the all elements. But still another factor is here which affect the size of the cells. We will later discuss it. Electron cells increases by 1 if we are moving from up to down in any group. Number of cells will increase 1 by 1. For example, in first period we have hydrogen in first group, that has only one cell. Below of the hydrogen we have lithium, that is in the second period in the first group, which has second cell, valence electron in the second cell. Then sodium, which has the electron in third cell, fourth cell, fifth cell, like that. Potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. So number of electron cells increases on moving down up to down by 1 by 1. With increasing the number of cells, here size of the atoms will be increases. Clear? Second, valence electrons. If we are talking about the valence electrons, in any group, when number of cells are increases, there is no change in the number of electrons. Same number of electrons will be available in the same cell, same group. Now, no change in the number of electrons in any group. If we are talking about the first group, we have 1 electron in all elements valence cell. In second group, we have 2 electrons in all valence cells in all elements. In 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. We have equal number of electrons of all the elements in the same group. While in period, we are moving from left to right, number of electrons are increases in the same cell. With increasing the number of electrons, number of valence electrons will be increases one by one. Next one, in groups that will be same, but in periods it will be increases one by one. Next characteristic is the electronegativity. Electronegativity means, students, electron attracting power, means tendency of any atom which attracts electrons in any covalent compound or molecule. If we are moving from left to right, in same number of electrons increases. With increasing the number of electrons in same cell, nuclear charge will be increases. Nuclear charge is equals to the atomic number, that is the positive charge on the nucleus, center of the atom. With increasing the nuclear charge, size of the atoms will be contracted in any group, in any period. With increasing the nuclear charge and decreases the size of atom, electronegativity will be increases in any period from left to right. While in groups, it will be decreases. Because size of the atom will increases. With increasing the size of atom, electronegativity will be decreases, because force of attraction which is applied by the nucleus will be decreases. So electronegativity will be decreases while electropositivity increases. Next factor is the IP, or ionization energy or ionization potential. Ionization potential or ionization energy means the amount or the minimum amount of energy which is required to lose one electron from any atom is called ionization energy or ionization potential. It is inversely proportional to the size of atom. If size of atom will be increases, then electron potential will be decreases. That is why in group, ionization potential or ionization energy will be decreases from up to down with increasing the atomic size of atoms. While in periods, it will be increases because size of the atoms is decreases. Due to decreases the size of atom, electronegative character is increases and force of attraction of the nucleus will be increases. That is why we need much more amount of energy to lose one electron from the valence cell. So ionization potential or ionization energy increases in any period from left to right, while in group it will be decreases. Next factor is the electron affinity or electron gain enthalpy. The amount of energy which liberate or release after combining an electron to an atom is called electron gain enthalpy or electron affinity. This is increases in any period while decreases in any group. With increases the size, electron affinity will be decreases. Metallic character decreases from left to right, while in group it will be increases. Non-metallic character is in opposite of it. In groups, metallic character increases, non-metallic character decreases, while in periods metallic character decreases, non-metallic character increases. So my dear students, you have up to 10th standard, you have limited properties of the elements in your syllabus, and this is the summary of whole chapter. Now We have discussed periodic table. You can watch my other videos to explanatory videos. Periodic table. We have some merits and demerits of periodic table. The merits are that modern periodic table is based on atomic number, that is the main point. Position of elements are related to the electronic configuration because all the chemical properties is depend on the electronic configuration. Periodic property shows gradual variation at regular intervals. It's easier to remember, understand and reproduce. Demerits: position of hydrogen is not satisfactory. Fail to accommodate their inner transition elements, means rare earth metals, lanthanoids and actinoids. Few elements are not arranged according to their electronic configuration. So here this is the explanation of chapter first, short summary of the chapter first, main point of the chapter first. Thank you so much my dear student. If you like this, subscribe channel and like and comment and share. Thank you so much.